This is my second tech project for a day. Picking up this empty trailer at Kimberly Clark in Paris, Texas, and some dirt bag left it without a mud flap on there. So I got this down to a science. It takes me less than 15 minutes. And got my Milwaukee power ratchet with a Torx bit on there. And then I'll put the crescent wrench on the other side and I'll zip those in and out. Carry a spare mud flap. Put that back on and we'll be ready to rock and roll. One thing I do to make it easier is I spray it down with WD-40. Got my lantern, which is Milwaukee M12, my Milwaukee socket set, my Torx Bit Set, crescent wrench, my Milwaukee tool bag, and Milwaukee Gloves. So a little bit of help from Milwaukee, we can make a pain in the ass mud flap an exercise to have a little bit of fun with. Get the toys out and play for a little bit.